Did you know that you can combine poultry farming and cucumber production to create a farming system that generates over $3,000 every month? Most farmers raise chickens and sell eggs or meat. Others plant cucumbers and sell the harvest. But you can combine both systems together, turning chicken waste into fertilizer and reducing production costs while increasing profits. In this video, I will show you exactly how an integrated poultry and cucumber farm works, how much you can earn, and the step-by-step system that can generate around $3,000 monthly. If you are interested in agribusiness, passive income, and starting a profitable farm, this video will open your eyes. Let's get started. First of all, what is integrated poultry and cucumber farming? Integrated farming simply means combining two or more farming enterprise so that they can support each other. So in this case, poultry provide organic manure, cucumber plants use the manure as fertilizers, and farm waste become farm profits. Instead of spending a lot of money buying chemical fertilizer for your cucumber, the chickens produce free fertilizers every day. At the same time, cucumber farm generate weekly income and poultry farm generates daily or monthly income. This combination creates two streams of farm inputs from the same land, and the best part of it is that you can start this business on less than 1 acre of land. Now let me explain why this system is powerful. 1. Poultry manure reduce fertilizer costs. Chicken manure is one of the best organic fertilizer for vegetables, and it also helps the vegetables to resist pests. So instead of spending hundreds of dollars on fertilizers, the manure is already available from the poultry house. 2. Cucumbers matured in 35 to 45 days, especially if you are planting hybrids varieties. That means you can harvest twice or 3 times within a few months. 3. Poultry gives steady income depending on your system. You can earn from eggs, poultry meat, and manure sales. 4. This model creates multiple income streams, so you are not dependent on one farm produce. You are earning from chicken, eggs, cucumber, and organic manure. This diversification reduces risks and increases profits. Now let's look at the land requirements and farm layouts. One of the biggest advantages of this system is that you don't need a large piece of land to start. With good planning, you can operate a profitable integrated farm on half an acre of land to 1 acre of land. For a small to medium scale integrated farm, the recommended land size is a minimum of half acre, which is about 2,000 square meters, but an ideal size of 1 acre of land, which is about 4,000 square meters, is perfect. With 1 acre of land, you can comfortably accommodate poultry housing, cucumber production field, water system, compost processing area, access road, and storage space. This layout allows smooth movement and efficient waste utilization. Now let's look at the poultry house spacing requirements. The poultry section will occupy a smaller portion of the land. For example, with 500 broilers birds production capacity, the recommended stocking density is 10 birds per square meter. That means you need about 50 square meters poultry house, but it's better to build a slightly bigger poultry house to allow ventilation and movement. So the practical poultry house size could be 8 meters by 10 meters, which is 80 square meters, and 160 square meters for 2 pens. So total poultry section area may take about 200 to 300 square meters. Now let's look at the cucumber production area. The cucumber farm will take the largest portion of the land. For example, 1/4 acre of farm. This equals about 1,000 square meters. Within this space, you can plant about 3,000 cucumber plants depending on space, with a typical spacing of 60 centimeters between plants and 1 meter between rows. The spacing allows good airflow and easy harvesting. The cucumber field should be organized into raised beds to improve drainage and root development, and staggered planting is necessary to ensure continuous harvest. Now, one important part of this system is manure management. Fresh poultry manure is very strong and may burn cucumber plant if applied directly, so you need a manure composing area. This space could be about 100 to 150 square meter. This area is used to collect poultry droppings mixed with dry material like leaves or sawdust and compose the manure for 2 to 3 weeks before applying to cucumber. Proper composting improves nutrient quality, soil health, and plant growth. Now, let's start with the poultry side. From this system, you can raise broilers or layers, but many farmers prefer broilers for quick cash flow. Working with a monthly capacity of 500 broilers bed. Broilers matured in 6 to 8 weeks. A 2.5 kg live broiler is sold for an average of 14,000 naira currently in Nigeria, which is equivalent of $10. So if you sell each bird at about $10, income becomes significant. 500 birds multiplied by $10 will give you $4,000 revenue per cycle. Even after expenses like feed, chicks, and medication, the profit margin can be strong. And remember that the manure produced during this cycle will fertilize your cucumber farm. Now let's look at the cucumber side. Cucumber is one of the most profitable vegetables because it grows fast, it has strong market demand, and produces multiple harvests. So prepare raised bed and mix poultry manure with the soil. This improves soil fertilization and plant growth. On 1/4 acre of land, you can plant about 3,000 cucumber plants. Cucumber start producing fruit 35 to 45 days after planting, and harvest is usually done every 2 to 3 days. A healthy cucumber farm can produce thousands of fruits per cycle, and with staggered planting, this farm can be structured further to get more yields. Now let's talk about the income potentials. For cucumber income, one plant can produce 8 to 10 cucumbers per cycle. Then 3,000 plants multiplied by 8 fruits, which is the minimum fruits per plant, will give you 24,000 cucumbers. A 40 kg bag of cucumber contains 90 big cucumbers. So this will give you around 267 bags of cucumbers. A 40 kg bag of cucumber is currently sold for 25,000 naira in Nigeria, which is equivalent to $18. So the total revenue could reach around $4,800 per cycle. Even after production costs, farmers can make over $1,900 profit per cycle. And with staggered planting, you can earn this money monthly. For the poultry income, from 500 broilers production capacity monthly, revenue could reach $5,000 per cycle, and profit margin of 30% could be around $1,500 depending on feed cost. When you combine poultry profit, which is $1,500, and cucumber harvest profit, which is $1,900, the farm will be generating around $3,000 monthly or more if you plan towards staggered plant for both cucumber income and poultry income. Now, if you want to succeed in this business, focus on good production management, proper irrigation for cucumbers, pest and disease control, and strong market connection. Integrated farming is one of the smartest agribusiness models today because it reduces waste and increases profit. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more profitable agribusiness ideas. Also, comment below and tell us, would you start a poultry and cucumber integrated farm? See you in the next video.